How to check Ulta Beauty gift card balance. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by going to the Ulta Beauty website and we can scroll to the bottom, the footer section here. And once we are here in the footer section, we can click on the section called gift cards or check balance. So click on this option right here, and that should lead us to the next page here. Now here, what we can do is we can basically go ahead and look out for a section where we can check balance, which is this one right here. We can scroll down for it, and we just need to manually enter the gift card number here in this gift card section. And right below it, we need to provide in the PIN, which is usually on the back of the card. Once you've entered it up, you can click on this option called check balance and your balance will be displayed on your screen. Alternatively, you can even call out this number for gift support and you can follow the prompts to check your gift card balance. Otherwise, in store also you can visit any of the Ulta Beauty store and ask a cashier to check your balance. But usually this is how you should be able to check it. It's very simple and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.